In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to run the latest YouTube ads, the most easiest YouTube ads in 2024. Either you're in Nigeria or in any country you are watching this from, this is actually meant for you. Now, if you have been looking for a way to get more customers using YouTube ads, or probably to grow your YouTube channel or promote your anything, your videos, your content, your music, this video is meant for you. Subscribe, turn on that bell notification icon right now, and drop your comments. Thank you very much, and subscribe to this channel. Let's get straight into it without further ado. Understand? Let's build the community. Now, listen to me very carefully. If you have problem in doing all these things, or you encounter any problem at any point in time, or you just want to contact me for anything like business, use the link in the description box. It will lead you to my WhatsApp, and you can talk to me personally. I will try to do things all together, consultation. Now, originally, I'm supposed to, whenever you want to create your ads, you should know that you're going to go to ads.google.com. You can see the text on the screen right now. Once you go to ads.google.com, they are going to tell you to either click, you are going to see something like start now or sign in. So if you are just doing it for the beginning, you click on start now, you create an ads account. If you don't know how to create an ads account, I will leave a video in the description box, or you might even contact me. I'll help you set it up, show you the particular way to make payment and all. Do you understand? So it will be easier for you, your journey. And note that before you run any ads, make sure you have verified your ads account. If you never verify and well, it's a little bit long process. Do you understand? So I'll just say contact me. It's how much you won't pay. I'll go help you verify, like guide you on the way to verify your ads account. And by so doing, you find it very easy to go on your journey without any problem. Everything will just be smooth rather than getting banned at ad account. So I'm supposed to be using the new design. You can see something like you are using the previous Google Ads design. I purposely switched to this design because that new design is still in test mode, so it used to have all this glitch. So once you get to this page, this is my home page, you should see something like this. So you're going to see something like this plus icon. Do you understand? A blue plus icon. So you're just going to click on it. You're going to click on new campaign. Now, once you click on new campaign, the next thing you want to do right now is you are going to go down and you're going to see something like create a campaign without a goals guide here. You're going to click on it. So once you click on it, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see search performance mass, whatever. You just go to video, click on video. You understand? Reach viewers on your YouTube and get conversions. So you just go down, you're going to see something like this, which is already on video views. Do you understand? Get views and engagement from people who are more likely to consider your product or brand. You only pay when someone chooses to watch your ad. Your ads can show as skippable in-stream ads, in-feed, and short ads. So just leave it like this, whichever video you want to promote, and just go down. Once you go down, the next thing you want to do right now is click on continue. Of course, for musicians, always click on audio, okay? But we are not treating that in this video. So you click on continue. Once you click on continue, then the next thing you want to do right now is you're going to see something like campaign name. So in this campaign name, I'm just going to edit it and I'm just going to name it video example, okay? Example tutorial. So once that is done, you understand, let's just scroll down. We're going to scroll down a bit. You're going to see something like that. Bid strategy. Always leave it in target CPV. Do you understand? That is target cost per view. That is when you want to be able to make payment when people view your video. Now in this budget and date, you're going to see something like campaign total and the budget box required. Do you understand? So if you want to, I'll just advise you to click on it and you're going to click on daily. Do you understand? You want to be able to specify the amount you want to spend daily. So for this daily ads, let's say maybe I want to spend just like $10. Do you understand? $10. Of course, there are some people that are clients of mine who spend up to like $1,000 per day, $500 per day. It depends on how you want to spend. Do you understand? So this $10 is just for people who just want to run a test campaign. So the start and end date, you can decide to click on edit here. Okay, navigate to edit, and the start date, which is today, is February 14, 2024, Valentine. And you're going to see something like end date. You're going to see something like select an end date. Do you understand? So you can decide to maybe So you can decide to select any later date. Do you understand? Future. You understand? Tomorrow. So that is it. So for this ad, it's all boils down to your own taste. Do you understand? So for this one, I'm just going to click on none. I don't want to set any end date, so I'm just going to go down to the networks. So I'm going to click on that networks. That thing is going to drop down, and you're going to see something like YouTube and Google. You're going to see this YouTube is ticked on already. Just leave that. Ads can appear on YouTube videos and channels, YouTube home, and in YouTube search result. So for this Google TV, that one, make that one just come out. You understand? That one is not ticked already, so that one is not there. And for this video partners on Google display network, of course I'm going to tick it off, because you want to run ads on YouTube alone. You don't want it to go to blogs, so just tick it off and leave only this one. This one is actually going to be grayed out, but it's ticked on already. So let's go down, and you're going to go to the location. Do you understand? So on the location, then you can decide to, I'm in Nigeria, so I can decide to input just Nigeria and select the default location that is going to be suggested to you under all countries and territories. Now if you want to enter additional location, you're just going to click on enter another location, and you continue to type it in here. Let's say maybe United States. You can type in the state or the country you want to target, and you just click on target, and it's actually going to be included. Do you understand? So this is how you can be able to do it. Right now I have a lot of states in Nigeria, you know, selected, maybe when I was running ads for a client or running ads for myself. Do you understand? So I'm just going to tick Nigeria for this. Okay, no long talk. For the language, of course, English. Do you understand? They are English speaking country now. Yeah, so that is it. So for the related videos, I'm just going to leave this right now, but if you want to promote some other related videos, you can click on related videos, and you know, decide to add additional 2 videos that can even get free views from these ads. Do you understand? With the same cost. But one thing is that any one of these 2 videos that you put here might complicate all your ads, because they will have to review this one separately. Do you understand? From your own campaign. So I'm just going to go down, leave that. Then this multi-format ads. Now listen to me very carefully. This gets more views with multi-format video ads. You can be able to create one. Let's say for instance, as we are creating this ad, you can be able to create an ad that appear as a short video ads, that is a long video, like that video that used to look like a TikTok video. You'll be able to get traffic from that. You can be able to create a video, normal YouTube video, that can show your subscribe button, and you can be able to create a video that shows in skippable in-stream ads. People can click a button to go to your. So this multi-format ads, for a beginner like you, I would just expect that probably we can treat this in the video. Do you understand? In the future, if you want me to treat that, just drop a comment. That's why I used to say drop a comment. Do you understand? Just say, Mr. Ayo, I want to learn about YouTube multi-format video ads. Do you understand? I will understand that. Okay, so I'm just going to tick it off, okay, as a beginner. Do you understand? Then once you tick it off, then the next thing you want to do, you want to scroll down. Do you understand? Once you scroll down, you click on this additional setting. Let's see what is there. And you're going to see something like devices. So you click on that device. This is going to show. Once you click on device, you're going to see something like show on eligible device, computer, mobile, tablet, whatever. Just click on set specific targeting for device, and you can be able to say, okay, maybe I want my ads to show on computer, mobile phones, tablets, TV screen. So you can be able to choose your choice. So for this, very important, always tick off TV screens. Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I didn't tell you, because people who are on television, they can't actually just subscribe to your channel like that or try to click off to your website. They want to watch TV, or they are trying to listen to a music on their home theaters. Do you understand? So you just have to understand. They say so. Select computers and mobile phone, and just tick off tablets. I don't see what the reason why tablet should be there. Most people who are using tablet, they are not using it like their normal mobile phone. So they might just throw their tablet at home and take their mobile phone and computer to them to the office, and whatever your advert carries, it just stays in the YouTube account on their tablet. So you understand now, most of your children play with it. So leave it in computer and mobile phones, depending on whatever website or product you are promoting. But for me, I used to leave it in only mobile phones. So it depends on your choice. So just go down, do you understand? And you're going to go down to this frequency capping. So this frequency capping, you can be able to say, okay, fine, as my advert is running, I want people to see my video just once a day, or once a week, or twice a month. Do you understand? So maybe you don't want to, or maybe you want them to continue to see that video per day. You don't care. So you just click on it. Do you understand? For me, I will just say okay, cap view frequency, and I'll just say okay, 1 people can only view it per day. Do you understand? Or 1 person's per week. Do you understand? Or yeah, 1 person's per week. Do you understand? Or per day, depending on how you want it. That is it. So let's just scroll down. Then once you scroll down, and the next thing you want to do right now, you're going to see add schedule, third party. Just leave that alone. Add group name. I used to leave that. You can rename it, but just leave it and go down. You've named your campaign already. So in the demographics, just click on demographics, and you are going to tick off this unknown in the gender, leave it at female and male, and the age listing. Your targeting is very important. If you like, make mistake, don't say I didn't tell you. You can chat me on WhatsApp. I'll give you a particular targeting that you can use for your business or music or your YouTube channel, so that you can get in front of the right people. If you don't get in front of the right people, you will pack fake people on your YouTube channel, and your YouTube channel is heading for doom. So you can actually chat me. How much do you want to spend? Normal, it's expensive, but not that expensive. It's worth it, rather than just wasting money or wasting your time on YouTube channel to build it and heading on for your star. So that is it. So in this age, I don't know what type of product you do. You understand? So for me, I could just say okay, maybe some people will tick off 18 to 24 and leave 25 to to 64. Do you understand? Like I said, this is not a targeting for any business. This is just a demo. Do you understand? To guide you all through. She gets. So for the parent status, you can decide to say okay, maybe you want parent or not a parent. You understand? Or maybe parent, or tick on everything. Depends on your choice. Do you understand? So that is it. So I'm just going to go down, okay, and we have different kind of targeting. Do you understand? We have another one which is audience segment. We have the one of keywords. We have the one of topics. We have the one of placement. Now for a beginner like you that is just trying to begin, I would advise you go for keywords, because and this keyword should just be like 2-sentence keyword, like you understand. So your advert can be able to show beside videos that carries just these 2-word keywords. Do you understand? Just these keywords. You understand? So you are into music, you can input different kind of keywords of, you understand, some music that is related to yours. Though I'm just using this as an example. You can chat me up for your targeting. So this one, let's just say maybe I'm trying to promote YouTube ads. Do you understand? Or let me just type in YouTube. So once I type in YouTube ads here, do you understand? Okay, you are going to see the impression. It's not that much. Impression per week is 210,000 people. Do you understand? So any video that carries YouTube ads, do you understand, on YouTube, my video ads will pop up in that place, or pop up on the video anyhow or under it, and people can be able to view my video or whatever offer I have concerning YouTube ads or course or whatever I have to say. Do you understand? So you get what I'm saying? You get the drill as a beginner. So let's just say maybe I want to type in okay, YouTube ads. What is related to YouTube ads? Let me just say Google ads. Do you understand? You get the drill. So if I type in Google, I can see 240k impressions just in Nigeria only. So I'm just going to leave it. Let's just say I leave it like that. Do you understand? So once I leave it like that, the next thing I want to do right now is I want to scroll down. Then you're going to see something like create your video ads. We have different kind of targeting. We have even placement. You can target YouTube channel. I can show you how to target people's YouTube channel, your competitors' YouTube channel or videos, and you get their subscriber on your channel. Do you understand? You get what I'm saying here. You get their viewers. So that's easy to do. Do you understand? But for a beginner, this is one of the best things you can do. Do you understand? So for the YouTube video, you're going to see I'm just going to paste my YouTube video in this box. Do you understand? So let me just try and go to YouTube and copy right now. Let me pause the video. Yeah, let's say this is my YouTube channel. Do you understand? This is actually my YouTube channel, and I want to promote the video that says how YouTube changed my life. Do you understand? If it's an interesting video, and I will expect you or advise you watch this for your motivation and discover how I made my first 1 million naira on YouTube with less than 160 subscribers. Do you understand? Not on this channel, but on a new channel I created, just listening to it from A to Z. So I'm just going to copy the link and you know, click on it, click on share, and I'm going to click on copy. I'm going to go back to this Google Ads page and click on that box, paste it in. Do you understand? And that video will actually pop up here. So what I'm actually going to do, we have two options here, either to select skippable in-stream ad. If you click on skippable in-stream ad, you have the option to input a link. Maybe you want to drive a traffic to a website, and by so doing you can get different kind of action. Those people can probably decide to take action, click on your WhatsApp button, or click to buy a course or contact you, whatever. So this is good for driving traffic. But if you want to get engagement on your YouTube channel, get more subscribers, or get more people to probably engage with your video, I'll just click on in-feed video ads. Once I click on in-feed video ads, you're going to see that the ads is already here, and you can see different kind of, you know, demo for this thing, like how the ads is actually going to show. Do you understand? Okay, so for the computer, you're going to see it. This is how it's going to show on, you know, on the computer. And if I keep on pressing that forward button, you can see it. Yeah, so you can see it. Everything is changing. Do you understand? So I'm just going to scroll down, and the headline, of course, you want to input the topic for your video, or the best topic that could be able to grab people. So I'm just going to type in how YouTube made me my first 1 million naira. Okay, 1 million with 160 subscribers. So let's just see, this is it. Then in the description, I'm just going to try and go to the video, you know, try to click on it. Do you understand? You could craft out something from your head. Do you understand? In this video, try and craft out something. So I'm just going to go down and just try to, you know, I'm just going to copy part of the description, copy it, go here and paste it here. If it's too much, I'm just going to delete. Okay, so let me just try and delete part of it. Let me try and cut it out. Okay, we still have here. So let me just try and delete part of it. Just an example, sha. My YouTube journey. So I'm just going to leave that like that. Then for this, I'm going to input the description too. Very important. You understand? African YouTuber. Okay, so once I do this, then that is done. Then ad name, you can decide to put an ad name. Me, I used to leave it like that. Do you understand? So for the ad creation, you're going to see your one ad is being created, leave it like that. Then for the bid, for this bid, they are telling me to use at least, suggesting a bid. So what you are just going to do right now is you're going to click on apply, how much you are going to be spending per video view. And the next thing you are going to do right now, once you do that, is you're going to click on create campaign. At the moment you click on create campaign, your advert will be created, will be submitted for review, and your video ads is done. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next video. If you have any problem with anything, chat me using the number on the screen, or that is the description box. I will see you later. Thank you.